Vanakkam. Our authentic Kanjivaram collections are back. This is in masterpiece collection, mind blowing piece. This is I love it so personally. I own one as well, and this is going to be a pure silk, pure zari Kanjivaram with a nice magenta and black combination. Let's open up the sari to understand how classy this is. This is an authentic Gandaberunda weaving of in the first half, and the second half is a checker. Look at her. She opens up to be the queen of saris and proving that she is a queen of saris as well. So much of detailing, authentic weaving. That's the pallu. See, talking a lot requires for things which needs more description. But this fellow is so amazing. This oh my. Look at her. She is very, very classy. She's got two parts in her. The first part is those Gandaberundas, the twin peacock concept that comes in the second half, the first half of the border, and the border part. And the blouse is this. It's got the deep magenta blouse. Let's not miss the pallu. Let's go in for the pallu now. It opens up to be so classy. And oh, look at her. She's just a classy piece, yeah, classic masterpiece collection she is. And just close your eyes. That on top portion is a pure silk woven. Magenta colors are thread checks, okay. The whole sari is so statement. Such a statement she turns out to be because she's got so much of beauty attached to her. So much of thought that goes in. Just see her. No, your upper portion is going to be plain zari, without zari, only thread checks, and your lower portion is going to be gorgeous grand. So you get a chance to wear a nice heavy jewelry on the top part, which makes you very, very special looking. That's the entire sari, half and half sari, pure silk, pure zari. The zari purity is 4 grams, and that is a very pure zari. And look at the pallu. The pallu weavings at close, she moves around to be so soft and folly. 25,500 is price of this masterpiece collection from Vastram. I personally love them, so I have one also for myself. And mine is a very old collection because certain things are very close to my heart. By the time we are 8 years completed and 9th year, might be the first or second year itself, I had this collection for myself. I still relish having this collection. I love this collection and hope you all will definitely, because of this feel, the shine, the weave, everything is authentic Kanjivaram. So that authenticity is never to be missed. This is the beauty of the sari. On top, it's got a nice black with magenta checks, and the border has completely, second half is completely open. Even over here, even between those lines, there is pure sari, missing dots like, and a nice thick zari woven checkers, triple line checkers she's got, and the blouse as such will look very classy. 25,500 is the price of this beautiful Kanjivaram. Never to miss to say, it's a pure silk, pure zari Kanjivaram. Very, very few people can give you this authentic collections, and we are one among them because all our weavers are authentic people from Kanjivaram, and sourced and designed and procured only for our valid clients. Happy shopping with Vastram as usual, and enjoying being a patron, and enjoy the style and statements that we are going to make you wear and make you look so gorgeous. Bye.